Hey there, ready to step up your photography game without breaking the bank? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a ride through the world of 360 cameras under $500. Join us on a journey through some amazing options that'll capture every angle of your adventures without emptying your wallet. From stunning landscapes to epic group shots, these cameras have got you covered. Imagine the warmth of memories preserved in every frame, ready to be shared with friends and family. With technology evolving, you don't need to splurge to get top-notch quality anymore. I have listed my top picks for you, so get ready to discover some game changers in the world of photography. Plus, remember, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and find the perfect 360 camera for you. Number 5. Ricoh Theta SC2. Here's my top pick for those looking for the best image quality, a sleek 360 camera that's perfect for capturing your life in all its dimensions. With its USB connectivity, transferring files is a breeze. Plus, it's super lightweight and comes in a classy white color. The SC2 records stunning 360 degrees still images and videos with impressive resolution and precise stitching. And guess what? It shoots in 4K too. Need to capture those beautiful night scenes? No problem. The night view mode reduces noise and widens the dynamic range for gorgeous, low-light shots. And with face detection, your portraits will always look sharp. One cool feature is the dual lens exposure, which adjusts exposure and white balance separately for front and rear cameras, perfect for tricky lighting situations. And let's not forget about the high-speed data transfer and the handy editing app, Theta Plus, for adding those final touches before sharing your 360 masterpieces on social media. Number 4. Insta360 For those prioritizing best reliability, this buddy is an excellent choice. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, transferring files is a breeze, and it comes in a sleek black color. Here's my top pick for those looking for impeccable image stabilization. The flow state stabilization feature ensures your shots are super steady without the need for a gimbal. Say goodbye to shaky footage. This camcorder-type action camera is perfect for those on the move, whether you're hiking, biking, or surfing. And with a 3-inch screen, framing your shots is a breeze. Plus, it uses micro SD flash memory, so you can easily expand your storage as needed. Number 3. Insta360x3 Action Camera. This stands out for the best versatility, offering multiple shooting modes and capturing options. With Bluetooth connectivity, it's easy to pair with your devices, and it comes in a sleek black color. The X3 captures stunning 5.7K 360 degrees active HDR video, ensuring you never miss any action. Plus, with its dual 1/2-inch 48MP sensors, you get crystal clear shots even in low light conditions. Here's the kicker, you can also switch to a 4K single lens mode, giving you the flexibility to shoot like a traditional action cam. And with flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, your footage stays incredibly smooth and level. But the real magic, the impossible third-person view feature makes selfie sticks disappear from your shots, giving you stunning drone-like footage without the hassle. Number 2. GoPro Max. Looking for the best choice for adventurers and content creators, this is worth considering. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, it's easy to sync up with your devices, and it comes in a sleek black color. My top pick for those wanting 3 cameras in one. This bad boy allows you to shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Plus, with Max Hyper Smooth stabilization, your shots stay incredibly steady no matter what. Live streaming in 1080 pixels. Yep, it's got that covered too. And with game-changing horizon leveling, your footage gets that silky smooth cinematic look every time. But wait, there's more. Power Pano lets you capture incredible panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon, while Premium 360 audio ensures your recordings sound as good as they look. Number 1. Insta360x3 ActionCam X3. And this stands out as my top pick for the best overall. It's designed for simplicity, with shooting modes that make it easy to capture stunning footage. Plus, with a video capture resolution of 5.7K, your videos will be crystal clear. This camera uses a micro SD card for media storage and is waterproof, so you can take it with you anywhere without worry. Here's my top pick for those looking for versatility. This buddy captures incredible 360 degrees video, allowing you to reframe your shots after the fact using the AI-powered Insta360 app. And with dual 48MP sensors, you'll get stunning clarity and detail even in low light conditions. But wait, there's more. You can also switch to a 4K single lens mode for wide-angle footage, and with flow state stabilization, your videos will be incredibly smooth. And forget about those ugly selfie sticks. The X3's third-person view feature makes them disappear from your shots for a sleek, drone-like perspective. Well, there you have it, folks. We've taken a tour of some awesome 360 cameras under $500 for 2024. From capturing breathtaking landscapes to epic action shots, these cameras have got you covered without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to take your photography game to the next level, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shooting!